guys, so got the Holy Roller right now kind of in storage. It's sitting by the house. I got it winterized, and there's a couple of projects that I'll be doing while it's winterized to get it ready for our spring, summer, and fall trips. We don't do too much winter camping around here, just because a lot of the local campgrounds are closed, and since we have full-time jobs and are only weekend warriors, we really can't get out too much in the winter. But one of the things that I wanted to begin working on today is work on the stove here in the kitchen. You know, the lighter on the stove, our stove, we have a Magic Chef stove, and all of the burners work just fine. I've got one that's got a distribution line to it that I need to fix, but all three of them work great. The problem is, if you get up in the morning, most of the time we cook breakfast outside, but if we were going to use this in the morning while everybody else is asleep, and everybody that has an RV hears this, you've got that banging sound that lights the lighters, and so what lights the burners. And so what I was going to do is I found this on Amazon, which is a electric or battery powered lighter. You just press the button and it lights. It sends the spark down the line to light that. So the project today will be replacing the good old with the quiet. So that's the project today. So the very first thing we're going to do is basically kind of take the oven apart, so we can get down to its pieces. All right. So here's the igniter. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take off. Now, one of the things that is, since it is winterized, the gas is turned off, so there is no gas coming to this at all. And the other thing we're going to do is take this cover off. And there, now we're down to just the bare pieces of the stove, and this thing, the igniter on the back of it, there's the knob. We can take that off. What we're going to end up doing is taking all of the knobs off here and we'll put them over here in the order in which they come off. I do wish to goodness that there was some igniter that we could put down in the oven. So basically today we will be replacing this with this. And now one of the things that jumps out at me really quickly is that I am going to have to ream out the hole, obviously, where that came out, where the turn is there. This hole where this is going to go is too large to fit in there. Plus there's a gas line in the back that I'm a little concerned about here. So we'll see what we can do. Alright, so I have drilled a hole right here where this will go. The next thing I need to do is to take this wire that plugs in on the inside, and it's nice and insulated, so I don't want to use a different wire. And there you go. So now we'll put the cover back on. Alright, and now we can put Alright, so we're all done. I've put everything back together. You can see our igniter here. I'll turn on one of the eyes and press the igniter. There we go. Front eye, rear eye. That is a whole lot better than hearing that clanging noise. So in the mornings, starting the stove should be a whole lot quieter. So I hope this helped you, and I'll see you on the next video.